Okay, this is the situation at 8 a.m. on the 19th of September at Chickamauga Creek. The Confederate Army Command and the brag is finally here and reached its assigned destination. It's managed to get an order out to First Corps, which is going to take 3 turns to deliver, and then it's going to have to be accepted by command roll on Hood. And they are to attack around the edge of the Union line through Brookfield and exit Brookfield to the south here if they can. The Union Army has got a couple of units in the lead. They've got Welders Brigade, and you've got a division of the 14, which have got orders to fight in defensive positions along these lines. You've got the rest of the 14 awaiting orders. You've got the 20th Corps that's just arrived for the Union, and they have orders to establish a secure flank along Brookfield here if they can get there in time. You've got elements of the Union Reserve Corps which are retiring off the board. They've got to leave the board by the end of the 8 a.m. turn, so they're on their way to being gone. So things are going to hot up rapidly now as the army commanders start issuing orders that which actually reflect the situation that we've got now. So it's anybody's game.